All right. Hello, guys. My name is Ekato Christian Osase,
I am Landlady Jane.
and you're welcome to today's edition of Real Estate Talks with Landlady Jane. So today's topic is what?
We are talking about savvy investors.
So who is a savvy investor?
All savvy investors, they are those people that make a good decision on their investments. You know, they have a good understanding and the practical knowledge of what they are investing in.
Okay.
So they don't have a costly they don't do a costly mistakes on their investments. You know, they are very skeptical, very uh, plain about what they want. Oh,
Okay.
Mr. Chris, what do you think?
No, no, I think you've had a very good definition of a classical definition of who is savvy investor is somebody who understands the investment is going into. Is like a farmer who knows that he needs a seed, he needs the right soil to make an investment. And of course, the savvy investor is not a dummy. He knows that when he puts in 1,000 naira, he should get something above 1,000 naira in return.
Yeah.
So that's basically who a savvy investor is. All right.
Yes.
So it's somebody
Yeah.
who has investment goals,
Mm-hmm.
he has investment relationships, he has investment opportunities, he has what we call investment wisdom. That's really what makes him savvy.
Yeah. Has the
And
knowledge of.
yes, he has a team around himself, a team of talented professionals.
Yeah, they don't do the work alone. They have
Exactly.
people
So they work
around
in
them.
groups, yes. So you may be the lead investor who has the equity, who has the money to invest, but he does not depend on his knowledge alone. He goes, take for instance, like real estate. He works with surveyors, he works
Yeah.
with architects, he works with structural engineers, he works with realtors, he works with other developers, also cooperate with government agencies. All right. And then the last part I'd like to really look at is he has what we call investment habits. He knows when to invest.
Know where and when
Understand?
and where to invest.
Exactly. So
Yes.
for me,
They're being
the,
trust.
the, the best the best thing a savvy investor should have is to have clear goals about what he wants to invest in.
Yes, be strategic also.
Okay, good.
Mm.
So what else basically can you tell us from your own understanding about who a savvy investor
Yeah,
is?
savvy investors should also diversify their portfolio.
Okay.
They have to understand the market values at all time.
Okay.
Yes, they have to know what people need.
Able to analyze the market.
Yes,
Okay.
they also have to like stay informed.
Okay.
Yeah, stay informed. You know when to make changes and when not to. They also set a time frame on their investments.
Okay.
Okay,
That
yes,
forms part of the goal.
yes. Before I invest,
Mm-hmm.
I am investing. This investment is going to last for this so years
Okay.
and all that. Most of them they don't actually do a investment that will take them years because they always want to remit their money, do another one, and all that. So they have this time frame
Okay.
of their investment, and they also have this. They know about the risk management in investing. Some people they are not aware, but when you are able to understand when the risk come, you're able to manage it.
Okay.
It's not like there is no risk in investment. There is, but these people they're able to manage it, and at the end of the day, they control it and they move on. They get their results and then they move on.
How do investors set goals for their investments?
Okay, like I said, they set their goals. One, timing. They time their investments. Then they go out there. They want to they want to bring their services to people. What does people need at a particular time? That's where they are planned. That's where they plan to invest their money in what people need. Like now in the present economy
In Nigeria?
in Nigeria, people need somewhere to do a farming.
Okay.
Most of these people, they now go into investing in they
Cash
now
producing
yes,
goods.
they invest in properties, agricultural properties.
Okay.
You get, they lease the properties to people who are interested in farming and all that. You know, these are why these people, they are people that have sat down, they planned for their investments. Where the money is,
Okay.
that's where they put their plan is,
Okay.
you know. So they also know that people need small apartments. You know, it's
Real
not
estate.
everybody
Okay. Invest in real estate.
invest in real estate.
Okay.
It's not everybody that can afford smart houses, smart homes, and all that. So they try to channel their plan to meet other people's budgets.
Okay. So this is why I would look at it.
Okay.
Like in Nigeria, everybody know how turbulent the environment is because of inconsistency in most government policies. Take for example, if you're an investor based in Lagos, you may not be able to like plan on your investment until government budget comes out.
Okay.
Because from the government budget, you can say, okay, fine, government wants to put 50% of their budget into education or defense. So let me invest in defense equipment. Or let's say government say, okay, government is interested in education, agriculture this time around. They know, okay, fine. Government energy in that year will go towards education or agriculture. So they will now take their money, all right, and say, because no investor will put 100% of all his money into one portfolio. So let's just like you said, they diversify
Yeah.
because of the risk involved.
Involved.
Okay, so they might say, okay, fine. If government is putting 50% of their money towards agriculture or education, let me put 40% of my
Of my
investment funds into education or into
agriculture.
agriculture. So
Yeah.
with the budget, they are able to plan, they are able to project.
Yeah.
Okay. So the other stuff we talked about as well too is that investment relationships. Investors must know how to relate with government officials. They must know how to relate with other experts in the
Industry.
industry. They are good networkers. They are good in building strategic relationships with their bankers because an investor does not mean you have the money, but you may know how to source money. You may know how to
Yes.
bring people together to
To get,
co-invest
yeah.
in a particular opportunity that you have seen.
That's true.
You know what I'm saying? So the other thing as well too now, savvy investors are smart in spotting opportunities where there are challenges. Yes, some investors right now are leaving Nigeria because they cannot cope. But there are some other investors that are also looking at Nigeria
That's an
as an
opportunity.
opportunity to fill in the void because nature hates void. Investment space also hates voids. So if there's an investment vacuum, a savvy investor can fill in the space or the vacuum created by those who are exiting. So really, truly, Nigeria right now is a very good environment to invest, especially in the field of real estate, because real estate is really not as developed and there's plenty of room for investment in real estate.
Yeah.
So what do you say about people, savvy investors investing in real estate, which is the area where you're good at?
Mr. Chris, you always relate me to
Yeah,
real
because
estate
you are
and
landlady Jane. You're not landlady tech.
you know, these smart investors, there
Mm,
is something they do in real estate.
okay,
You know, they started this tech redefined properties.
okay.
They kind of,
Smart homes.
yes, they kind
Okay,
of do smart homes, you
okay.
know, where they have appliances.
AI enabled homes.
The AI, we really have AI presently in
Oh,
Nigeria
we do
now.
have because AI can open some doors. You say, "Hello, my name is Chris." The door opens.
Yes, well, they have something like smart doors, smart
They're
lights.
all AI controlled.
Yes, because all we are conversant with CCTV and all that. But I think the CCTV has also have also been upgraded now. You know, so these people, they want to give people what they want. Now they've seen that the world, everybody is talking about AI, AI. They started smart homes.
Okay. There is a real estate space in Nigeria.
Yes,
Okay, good.
they started smart homes and all
Okay,
that.
okay.
You know, it's very, very, the way they do this. These people, they are smart. They are not just savvy. They are smart.
Good.
You know.
So, what current opportunities do you see